Previously, when configuring text-based settings, the selector only showed predefined custom fields. With this update, your user-created custom values are now available in the selector for personalization and lead enrichment. Let's check how to add custom values in your calendars. In the Calendar Settings section, click the pencil icon next to your desired calendar. Click the tag icon next to the text-based settings you want to modify, such as email.sms templates, meeting locations, or appointment titles. Open the Custom Value selector. Click the value you want to add, and it will automatically populate in your calendar. Thanks to this update, you can integrate your branding into the calendar with ease, creating personalized appointments that help you represent offers consistently with other parts of the platform without manual input. This update makes it easy to consistently include special offers and other personalized content in your reminders, titles, and other text settings. We hope you enjoy it.